Hey guys, welcome to the another chapter of tax, which is clubbing of income. So let's start. Applicability of clubbing provision. Clubbing provision would apply where a person transfers any income to any person without transferring the asset from which such income is generated. For example, Mr. A has a fixed deposit with Punjab National Bank from which an annual interest income of Rs 5 lakh is generated. Mr. A transfers such annual interest income to Mr. B. However, the FD remains in the name of Mr. A. In this case, the annual interest income would be clubbed in the income of Mr. A. Revocable transfer. Transfer of an asset is deemed to be revocable if any of the following condition is satisfied. Transfer deed contains a provision in terms of which the asset or income generated from the asset can be retransferred to the transferor during the lifetime of the beneficiary, or the transfer deed allows the transferor to reassume power of the asset or income generated from the asset. Actual exercise of power is not necessary. For example, Mr. X has transferred one fixed deposit to Mr. Y and had reserved a right to get back the FD or the income generated from the FD during the lifetime of Mr. Y. Then such transfer would be deemed as revocable transfer and clubbing provision would apply in such case. Basically, in case of revocable transfer, income from the asset so transferred shall be clubbed in the hands of the transferor only. Such income shall not be taxable in the hand of the transferee. Irrevocable transfer. Transfer of an asset is said to be irrevocable if both the following conditions are satisfied. Transfer cannot be revoked during the lifetime of the beneficiary or transferee, and transferor of the asset should not derive any benefit directly or indirectly from the asset or the income generated from the asset during the lifetime of the beneficiary. For example, Mr. X has transferred one fixed deposit to Mr. Y with the condition that FD shall be retained by Mr. Y till the time Mr. Y is alive, and after that FD shall be taken back by Mr. X. This is a case of irrevocable transfer, and clubbing provision shall not apply in this case. Income from the FD shall be taxable in the hand of Mr. Y. Basically, in case of irrevocable transfer, income from the asset so transfer shall not be clubbed in the hand of the transferor. Such income shall be taxable in the hand of the transferee.